Welcome back to HiLook Update. In this video, I will show you how to resolve an issue where your HiLook CCTV cameras display an encrypted status message. When this happens, clicking on the channel prevents you from viewing the stream, and the app prompts you to enter an encryption password to unlock it. This issue usually affects all connected cameras. Many users wonder what password is required here, whether it is the DVR password, the app password, or something else. If you are facing this problem, watch this video until the end for the exact solution. To fix this issue, we need to access the DVR directly, either using a monitor screen or a web browser. For this tutorial, we will use the monitor display. Right-click on the screen and select Menu. Enter your device password or pattern to unlock it. Next, navigate to Configuration, select Network, and go to the Platform Access tab. Here, you will find the verification code. The requested encryption password is actually this verification code. To reveal the code, simply click on the eye icon. Now that we have the code, let us return to the smartphone. Back on the phone, tap the encrypted camera feed and click the eye icon to input the password. Please note that this verification code is case-sensitive, so make sure you type it exactly as shown on your monitor screen. You can double-check the characters before proceeding. Once you're sure it is correct, tap Confirm. As you can see, the feed is now unlocked and all other camera channels are now accessible again. This encryption prompt usually happens because the verification code on the DVR was modified. If you enter the code and it still doesn't work, there is an alternative method. You can go back to the Platform Access menu on your DVR monitor screen and disable the Stream Encryption option completely, then click Apply. After turning it off, you can restart your DVR or log out of the smartphone application and log back in. That is how you fix the video encryption issue on your HiLook CCTV system. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more updates from HiLook Update. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.